Hello, I'm in a 2014 Hyundai Accent, and today I'm going to show you how to connect your phone's Bluetooth to your vehicle interface. So first, you want to start always by making sure vehicle is on, which usually just takes a few moments then for everything to boot up. You want to make sure everything's turned on, which right now is in the off. So now it's on. And then every interface looks a little different. So we got media, etc. Sometimes it'll say phone here. Before I get too much into it, some models do have Bluetooth and some do not. So if you don't see something like phone here to click, somewhere in this range, you want to check under media. And this is no media. So this is the first clue that this particular model might not have Bluetooth. But some of them will have something here like phone, Bluetooth, whatever, which obviously you would select those with your numbers. So like, I don't remember exactly, but say phone might be 1, so you'd go through that, and then there'll be something like add phone, delete phone, pair existing phone, those kind of things, which you would select with the numbers, and then go through your voice prompts. But this one doesn't have Bluetooth, unfortunately. You can also check under your menu, and here you might in the list see something that might be helpful. You can scroll to find with, again, select with whichever numbers. If all else fails too, you can try to check around your vehicle to see if you've got something that looks like a symbol of a guy talking. Usually they're on the steering wheel is why I looked around here, which this does not. But those, if you did have it, you could push that button, which would open up voice commands, which kind of lets you talk to the vehicle through different prompts, and that way you could check to find out if there is Bluetooth through saying stuff like add phone, add Bluetooth, delete device, whatever. It should give you some indication if you actually have it. And let's pretend this model did have Bluetooth from your device. Obviously, you want to make sure it's on, and you want to make sure that blue symbol there is highlighted, because that means Bluetooth is on your phone device. Every model of phone is a little different, but when you open that up, which you can open just by holding that blue symbol, you should have something that looks similar to this. But there's nothing to scan for since this model doesn't have Bluetooth. Other options to consider, obviously you can just plug in through the aux port for music and things like that, or there's some aftermarket things that let you connect to like a radio signal. Otherwise, they're getting more inexpensive, but you could just replace this whole thing for like an aftermarket radio system that would have your Bluetooth, Android Auto, Apple Play, all those sorts of things, as well as usually navigation. So that's something to consider. They're not too expensive, but it's not extremely cheap either. But that would work too. And then those are nice too, because you can install like backup cameras and stuff too when you do that. But otherwise, hopefully this was helpful, and hope you have a wonderful day.